No, 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 no. No, no, no. You have to be gentle. Seth, can you tell who is that right there?
Ellie Belly.
Ellie Belly?
Ellie Belly.
It's your Ellie Belly?
I'm Sister Ronnie and Ronnie.
Your what?
Ronnie and Ronnie.
What are you doing, Goober?
See this motor truck right here?
I see it. You gonna give it to Ellie Belly?
Okay. That's on the motor.
Oh, thank you.
It's on her lap.
It's on her lap. You're right.
Is that a motorcycle?
Yeah?
Is that one is a motorcycle?
Yeah.
I love that motorcycle. I wish I have a motorcycle.
You wish you had a motorcycle?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Can you say hi to everybody that's watching you? Right here? Look at right here in Mommy's phone. Say hi. Well, you can't see right now. You have to say hi, and then I'll show it to you. Okay. Look at. We're gonna say hi to Ellie. Bye, Ellie Belly.